from Uptak News channel and welcome to my show Trending News. So today we have topic about boycott Bollywood. So firstly I want to know about what is boycott. So boycott means people comes together and for negativity spreading in society, culture and national also, and it can be related with some people's products and organization and etc. So today we are talking about boycott Bollywood. So we have invited some guests. So firstly I want to introduce my guest. So she is Sakshi Joshi and she is a social worker, and she is Shivani Kushwa, and she is a senior journalist, and he is a Sonu Chaudhary and he is a YouTuber. So my first question with Miss Shivani Kushwa, because Shivani, I want to know about what is the main reason of this trending, why it's happening, and why its trend is going on of Bollywood boycott.
So, according to me, the main reason of boycott is those type of Bollywood movies. My statement, in this time, what type of Bollywood industries are making movies. They are showing unnecessary our culture, and sometimes they are disrespecting our culture.
Which kind of disrespect, Shivani?
Like recently the movie was released on Brahmastra, so we all heard about and we all know about our previous Ramayana and Mahabharata also. So those type of statement they give and those type of astra they used on their movies, which was never we saw. And also the boycott trend is going on just because of Star's statement.
Okay, so my next question with Miss Sakshi. So Sakshi, what's about your opinion about the statements of stars?
Okay, so I am also heard about some statements. Firstly, I am telling about the statement of Ananya Pandey said that if I got chance to Bollywood career for pursuing my career, so I am going to Hollywood. So if actors also like this type of thinking, so why people sing this? And also I am heard about Amir Khan's statement, and Amir Khan said that शिवलिंग पे दूध चढ़ाने से तो अच्छा है तुम गरीबों का पेट भर दो. सो पीपल सेड दैट इनकी मूवी देखने से अच्छा हम गरीबों का पेट भर देंगे.
Okay, thank you Shivani. So we have to take one short break. So please be here, don't go anywhere. So ट्रेंडिंग न्यूज़ इज़ पावर्ड बाय गाड़ी डिटर्जेंट. पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया. MDH मसाला, असली मसाले सच MDH लाइफ बॉय. धोते जाओ धो. बंटी तेरा साबुन स्लो है क्या?
नहीं.
बनाना है इंग्लिश से रिश्ता अटूट, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें ब्रिटिश इंस्टीट्यूट. So now break is over. So welcome back to Trending News. So my next question with Mr. Sonu Chaudhary. So what's your opinion about its trend is impact on society?
The impact society is badly. Boycott Bollywood is badly. जैसे example and boycott society is badly and boycott Bollywood is badly society impact and culture. Hindu Muslim religion rights and like that example Ranveer Kapoor say had cow brave, so people not allowed Ujjain Mahakali temple and badly impact society. And
Okay, so I heard one statements of Star, like she told about Amir Khan's statement. So what he told, शिवलिंग पे दूध चढ़ाने से अच्छा है कि हम गरीबों का पेट भर दें. So those type of people, we are belong to Hindu culture. We do lots of worship of Shivling. But the statements of Amir Khan's culture, the main reason of roids are increasing because the Star's statement and Bollywood industry are showing and disrespecting our culture.
And what's your opinion about nepotism?
Yeah, actually the boycott trend is going on, and there is a nepotism trend is also going on. And I saw this nepotism trend is going on only on Bollywood industry, not other industry, because of just because of Bollywood star kids and Bollywood stars are just showing their kids unnecessary. Like I don't think they have that much talent to build their career on Bollywood industry, but still they have that much opportunity to go Bollywood, and they have lots of offers of Bollywood movies. But those actors who actually deserve good movie and good content, who actually deserve their career on Bollywood industry, but just because of Bollywood stars, those type of actor, they can't get their opportunity.
Okay, so thank you to all of you for giving us idea of this Bollywood boycott. So we will meet tomorrow. So bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching Trending News.